Hello everyone. Today, he is repairing an Apple Watch SE by replacing the outer screen. Next, he will begin the repair. Gently slide. Cut the adhesive. Once the adhesive is completely cut, the screen can be opened. Carefully pry open the connector with tweezers. Remove the display connector and peel away a layer of UV glue. The shattered screen is stuck to the tempered film. Then, use a UV light for curing. The diamond wire slowly enters from one corner of the screen. The screen is very small. The separation is completed quickly. He uses a roller to remove the remaining adhesive. He takes out the new cover. Align the display with the cover. Place it in the laminating machine for adhesion. After completion, place it in the vacuum machine for bubble removal. After processing, connect the ribbon cable to test it. The display is normal, and the touch is working fine. Next, he applies waterproof adhesive to the watch. This restores the airtightness. The outer screen of the watch has been repaired.